Hello and hello once again. Today I will be making cauliflower nuggets with you, and we will be using the following items as shown on the screen. I will begin by cutting the cauliflower head into florets or bite size. Put them in the bowl and wash them thoroughly. The cauliflower are thoroughly washed and ready to be steamed. I will set it aside for a few seconds to get water into the pot. I will add in 1 clove of garlic, a tablespoon of salt, and a tablespoon of vinegar. I will now place the cauliflower on the steamer and cover it till it boils. The hot water has boiled, so I have reduced the fire for the cauliflower to steam slowly till it's tender. I'll check to see if it's tender. Yeah, it's tender. Whilst the cauliflower is cooling down, I will start by preparing the batter. I have here in the bowl flour. I will add in about a teaspoon of salt, 1 to 2 teaspoons of paprika, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of parsley flakes. If you have fresh one, you can use it. A teaspoon of garlic puree or garlic powder if you have that. One egg and some milk to mix. slice of onion to freshen up the oil. The oil is hot now, so I'm going to dip the cauliflower in the butter and put it in the oil to fry. I have the butter in the bowl here, and this is the steamed cauliflower. I will dip it in the butter now. The cauliflower are well baked now, so I will use this spoon to drain the excess butter from it and put it in the oil to fry. Removing the onion. Time to fry the cauliflower. Cauliflower nuggets are ready now. I'll take them out of the pan and drain the excess oil, if there is one. Looking so good. Stay tuned. These are our cauliflower nuggets. Time to taste one. Just look at it. Now time to taste and see. It's so good. Extremely delicious. Thank you for making cauliflower nuggets with me today. See you soon. Bye.